I have mentioned in my previous post that I am working on this upgrade 2.0 for my Raspberry Pi. So here I have added 4 rubber foot pads at the bottom and 2 rubber rings here to reduce the vibration of the DC motor. And here I have created this custom prototype controller to control the speed of this DC motor. Now let's see this project in action. Now this motor is rotating at the speed of 7% and the direction is clockwise. Now let's increase the speed. So now as you can listen, the motor is barely making any noise. Earlier it was so loud and I was unable to work around it. So I hope you have learned something new. If yes, then do follow us on Instagram, subscribe us on YouTube, and I will see you in my next one.